Let's get real here. Nobody's impressed with your text line command-based stuff. It's just not doing the job. But you've only spent like 5 or 6 hours into coding. You've barely managed inputs and outputs. Oh dear, what can I do? Turtle, to the rescue. So you've just started Python, but you'd really want a GUI. You want something that makes windows. Well, good news. Turtle has everything you need. You just start by saying the kind of font and the size you want, and then you can write text straight away. So with this bit here, we are writing our text, and you can see how this works, and it immediately gives you the window that you've always wanted. So now you can print stuff with a turtle, and the next thing you're going to really love is that you can also ask for inputs with a beautiful window, and that's lovely. The your name part is the title of the window, and name is the prompt. Fantastic! You now have a fully functional window system. These next couple of lines, what they do is they just move the turtle down. They do it invisibly so that it doesn't look too obvious that you've drawn a line. And then you print out your lovely response. So in this case, we're just going to put the output together just to make it a little bit easier for you to understand what's going in. And again, we use turtle right, we use the output, we use the same style. You can have whatever styles you like. This last bit's not needed in MU, but it is used in quite a lot of other editors, so I've included it anyway. That's not quite what you wanted, and you actually wanted, something to happen when you press a button. Say, something when you press the D button to go to next, then we've got you covered here. I'm just going to put in a little list so that this is a bit of fun. So we're going to make a very simple debate chooser, which picks a topic and picks a random debate. You do need to know how to use a procedure for this next bit, and I'm calling this next, like the next debate. First thing we do is clear the screen, then we make a random choice from our debate topics, and we're going to print the topic just so you can see what it looks like in the main screen. We're going to put the style in, and again we're going to write that topic. So you have an instant debate topic, and it's a lot of fun this, and quite easy to play with. Now this next bit might not look like a loop, but it's going to do a loop. The turtle.listen says listen for the keys and listen to what's going on. And then we have a turtle on key, and that's going to call the function next, and we're going to use D as the function. And finally, we have turtle done. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, make sure you're subscribed, because we've got way more ACE tutorials to share with you.